Alright, now you can actually see what color it is. There's filler. That looks like bondo all along there. Bondo all in here, and they didn't do a good job getting rid of the rust before they bondoed it. You see it all around there. This is the trim piece. So weird. I don't know if they're supposed to be yellowed like that or what. See up in here, this all got bondoed and it flaked off. So that's all rusted, so that's gonna need repaired. Holes poking through there, bondo, filler, paint. And the paint, there's faded spots. You can see tiger striping through there. Kind of wonder if, I love the color, but it kind of looks like a Mako job. All that dirt that blew in up from the bottom side of the door. And this whole thing's gonna need cleaned really well. Door pane is white. Oh, look, we got leaks. Back pocket's full of water just like it should be. Sticker in the door came off. Just the oil change sticker. Funny because coolant's on there. Can't read anything else on it. But it was right there. But it's got a purplish tint to it. You can kind of see at an angle and in the dark. Got a nice little purple sheen. Just a nice little royal blue color. You can see it in the sunlight right there. They didn't do a very good job in my opinion. It's a very good color, but it looks like a Mako paint job. I'm pretty sure those are cheap non-stock bumpers because they've rusted way more than the German ones should. Same with that front. Front's all got that. Yeah, that's all white. Oh, it's got powder blue under white. Oh, what's going on there? Cause yeah, that all looks kind of a powder blue color. And you've got this white paint peeling off. I don't know what they did. She doesn't idle and she has no brakes except for maybe 1 or 2 brake shoes at best on the emergency brake. But back in here to dry, finish drying out.